What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Mike here. Today we're going to be checking out and unboxing this new powder coating system that I picked up. Been thinking lots, like I used to be a painter, and I missed it quite a bit ever since my shoulder kind of fucked up and I haven't been able to. And well, this is a nice step to get back into that kind of stuff, I guess. And well, got lots of stuff that you know, you can powder coat on, stuff that needs it. So like I want to eventually totally restore that. I got my grappas I want to restore. I got my skidoo-to-do. I've got stuff up under here, you know, that we're gonna make look original and normal. Anyways, let's see what we get here. Little PO'd. Amazon, this cost me almost $300 Canadian. It's like $156 Canadian if you actually order it from Eastwood, and that's shipped, and that's at the time of this recording, which is like, I think the 13th of April. So anyways, oh, it's, come on, there we go. Inside the box, I guess this is where I ordered it from. Badass custom coating. So shout out to those guys. They've got a lot of really cool cool powders and stuff I'm going to be checking out, probably order a bunch from them. But here's the main gun. Here's what you get. You get the main gun with the bottle here that unscrews. So I've seen some parts that, like, reviews are saying that like it was broken in there, but this one seems to be okay. It's all, they see, like, this hasn't been opened yet, so it's still all attached with the zippy ties and all that nonsense. Underneath the gun, I wasn't prepared, as you can tell. I never am. I'll set that down. Hopefully it doesn't break. Inside, we've got the high voltage box here, which is awesome. And then we've got our clamp. This would be our ground clamp, our power, and our activation button, I guess that would be. I did do a little bit of powder coating before. I know a little bit about it. I haven't done it in probably about 15 years, so it'll be all new to me again. We have an instruction book, so that is awesome. So, but that's all. That's all it is right there, folks. Next time you see this, let's see if I can put it all back in now. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Next time you see this, we're going to be testing it out. I get paid in a couple days, so I'm going to be ordering the powders. I've got the word out around town to get an oven, because I want to put an oven over in the corner over there, so we can get some stuff going and we can see how this thing works. So, but that's future stuff. If you guys enjoy that, you know, subscribe, all that, give a like, share it with your friends. But that is what is in the box of a PCS-150 single voltage powder coating system, Eastwood HOTCOAT, right there. So awesome. Hope you guys, you know, hope you guys are excited for this, because I am. I really am. Anyways, next video, we have a little bit of a treat for you folks. As you can see, I'm walking out here. Gotta move the truck, but we're pulling this down. Now we're dragging this thing out of here and putting it in the shed, or in the shop here, and we're gonna get it running. That's, well, hopefully get it running. That's next video, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait. And then we've got car shows coming, lots and lots of car shows. So, and then eventually, once that's out and running and good to go for next winter, back behind there, oops, there, you can't see it, but back there is my grandfather's trike, and I can't wait to pull it out and actually get it and restore it. So check it out again. Haven't seen it well, since I parked it there, so that'll be quite awesome. But I'm gonna end the video there. I want to start getting this shit done, get that fence down, get this thing pulled in here. I'm running out of space again, but it is what it is. It's spring. It's that time of year. Stuff going on in the car, waiting on parts for that. The Tahoe. We'll have to have a talk about that next, probably future video here pretty soon, because yeah, it's been kicking me in the balls. It hasn't gone for the exhaust yet, because, well, some days it wants to run, some days it doesn't. So it's been really pretty unpredictable. If I can get it to do its same thing 2 days in a row, then we'll talk. But anyways, that's enough. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of just checking out the powder coating system. This thing right here. So I can't wait to actually use it and see, you know, if it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So comment down below. I'd love to hear it. All that stuff apparently is working now. So let's see what you guys got to say. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless.